So this is actually a beautiful property, and I will show you a specific place in this property where this is why house owners engage Kilston to install this system, is because of the fear where termites are concerned. So I will show you the back of the property. If you can see from my left to right, all right, a lot of greenery, and these are all possible termite activity, very prone to termite activity, right? As you can see, the jungle is at the back. There's a vast land which we don't know what is going on at the back. So these are all the possible termite infestation area. So properties like these are very close to the hill. You have to take extra precaution, extra measurement. It's beautiful, but extra precaution and extra measurement must be taken when it comes to termites, because termites are very, very damaging to structure, and this is actually where they originate from, right? These hills and greenery, which is Malaysia, which is a tropical country, it's very important that this system to install the systems or systems like this to protect properties like this during your renovation, or even if you buy a sub-sale property. It's very important to take this into consideration. And for more information about our system and about Kilston Widens, you may contact www.kilston.my, and I will put up the contact number at the end of this video. Thank you.